Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Clarksville, Virginia for the third stop of the Bassmaster Opens on Kerr Lake, or Bugs Island, whichever one you want to call it. But I'm really excited about this one because I have no idea what I'm in for this week. Kerr Lake, I've looked at it on Google Maps or Google Earth. And also on my Navionics app, and that's pretty much all the research I've done. I've done a little bit of weather monitoring and that sort of thing. It's going to be raining a little bit tomorrow. It's definitely going to be raining a lot, and so it's going to be interesting learning a brand new lake. I'm really excited. But the coolest part about this trip, at first it was a little bit frustrating for me because I've been kind of not on my A game when it comes to booking my campsites this year. With the birth of our first daughter, I just haven't necessarily been with it. It hasn't been my first priority, and I kicked myself when I started looking for campsites to put my Lance camper in. As you can see, it's not here. I got a bunch of totes and a cooler and stuff back there, but I don't have my truck camper, which I kind of feel naked without it. It's a big part of my tournament process. So I was kind of scrambling to figure out where I was going to stay. And I had my buddy Braden Rakes here. He also fishes the Opens. He's actually from the same Big Bass Tour pedigree that I was. I was hosting the Big Bass Tour back in like 2012. He did it for a while, and so he's been a good friend of mine for a bit. He was traveling alone, and I'm like, let's find a spot. So I ended up looking around, and there were some hotel options, just kind of your regular hotels, and that didn't kind of strike my fancy. But then there was a bed and breakfast called the Sunnyside Sisters Bed and Breakfast here in Clarksville. And I ended up calling them, and it's this wonderful Dutch couple, Evelyn and Martin, and they've got this place right here. Gorgeous 23-acre property with this this plantation home that was built in 1830. Crazy. And for somebody that literally will just sleep on the floor, if when I'm fishing a tournament, I can just sleep pretty much anywhere. As long as I have all the basics, I'm good to go. But this is way more than basic. This is amazing, and I'm going to show you in the room pretty soon here. But I'm very thankful for them squeezing us in and getting us into two of their rooms. We actually got two rooms. I got a king size bed, and because Braden didn't broker this deal, he gets the queen size bed in the other room. But both of them are pretty awesome. So I'm going to unpack here, get some of my stuff just kind of settled, and I'm going to show you where I'm staying. It's pretty cool. All right, guys, so now I'm in the room. I'm going to be a little bit quiet. We've been up here for the last several hours. It's a little bit late now. My buddy Braden Rakes is in the room next to us, and I'll have to show you guys his room in the next video that I do about this place, because he's got a room that looks like it was designed by a Bulls fan. It's all orange in there. It's pretty cool. But this one right here is my room. Check this place out. All right, I'm kind of making it my own right now with all my gear, but this king bed, we've got all the amenities that you need from the modern world. You got the TV, you got Wi-Fi, you got an independent, HVAC system. But this room was made in 1830. We've got, the original wood floors. And so part of the reason why I'm being pretty quiet is it's a little bit late now, and you never know how sound carries throughout a building like this, an old house. So I'm trying to be as respectful as possible to other people that are staying here. But man, it's just beautiful wood floor. That's why I've got my stuff on the rug here. Just trying to make sure that I don't, scuff up this beautiful floor that's really well kept. It's pretty awesome. But this room is beautifully furnished. We just hung out here and talked for a bit. Felt kind of fancy in these chairs. And as far as the bathroom goes, check this out. This is legit. It's kind of hard to walk around without the floor creaking, but Look at this bathroom. Gorgeous in here. Just really a cool place to stay. So, like I said, outside, it's pretty fancy for a couple tournament anglers that are used to sleeping on a couch, you know. But man, I'm glad to be staying here. And again, this whole deal, you know, coming here to this bed and breakfast really just came from you know, necessity. You know, I was looking for a place because I forgot to book a campsite in time, and ended up coming across this place. They, you know, the price was right, and the couple that runs the place seemed really nice. And we get here, and it's about as good as you could possibly expect. I mean, very clean. This place has got a lot of history. You know, this is a old plantation. It's a tobacco plantation, so it has a really cool story behind it. And even though we're not utilizing like the breakfast part of the bed and breakfast, these people are just very hospitable overall. So anyways, guys, I just wanted to show you where I'm staying this week. It's pretty awesome. I'm gonna have to show you Braden's room in the next video. But yeah, we're gonna be living in style. You know, all we need now is just a couple horses to tow our boat to the lake. So, and we'll fit right in with this atmosphere. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys are interested in coming to Clarksville and fishing Bugs Island, definitely check out Sunnyside Sisters Bed and Breakfast. They are awesome. So anyways, guys, keep up with everything this week. It's going to be a fun event here at Bugs Island, and I'm going to see you guys out on the water. Make sure you trust the process.